Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. I have not been on here in a few days, but here I am. So I'm just doing some simple book page decoupaging today, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. It's very easy. I've also done some guest checks. Here's, one of those, multiplication cards from a thrift store. So you can use any napkins that you want, any book pages that you want. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly how to do it and what materials you need. So first of all, you'll need some book pages. So I just went to my vintagey books and grabbed some, but you can use any kind of book pages. You'll need napkins, which I have a bunch next to me that are already ready, but I'm going to show you how I get my napkin ready. And then you'll need some scissors, possibly. You might not need scissors at the beginning, but, just grab them. Here's a bunch of napkins that I've prepared, and I'll show you what I mean by that if you're not familiar with decoupaging with napkins. Let me set these off. And then you'll need a non-stick surface. So what I mean by that these are bags from I think I might have a cereal bag. No, I have chip bags. So this is just a chip bag, or I guess corn puff or something, I don't know. Tostitos. So once I put glue on here, it won't stick. The paper won't stick. So I collect these, I've used these a million times over and over. So grab some of these. Cereal bags work great. Anything non-stick. Okay, what else? And the glue. Okay, so here's my glue mixture, and I use a paintbrush. Normally I use a bigger paintbrush, but I can't find it, honestly, so we're using a small one today. The glue mixture that I use is 3/4 cup Elmer's glue, and then I use a 1/4 cup water. I have found that I like it soupier, because it doesn't seem to clump and it spreads easier and doesn't rip the napkin so much. So to prepare the napkin, you're gonna wanna get rid of this white ply. So I don't know where I saw this, but I did not make this up. But you just take a piece of washi tape and you stick it to the white part, and it gets it started, because if you don't do that, it's super hard to get started, in my opinion. You just want to get rid of that white underneath part, because you want your napkins to be as transparent as possible. Sometimes the napkins will have several layers, so just, get rid of those. So these are all ready. Let me grab. I've done this on my channel before, and several people have. It's definitely not a new thing. I just felt like doing something kind of mindless, easy today, because I've had an interesting day. I posted, I went to the dentist. Not good news. Anyways, I'm not going to get into all that, but I've been stressed, so I just want to do something easy. I'm not looking for sympathy. I wanted to be able to make a video, but not have to think a lot. So put a book page on your nonstick area. Let's see, I'll do in the middle. And you're gonna wanna first apply a layer of glue, or your glue mixture. These are awesome once they're dry to use as a pocket. I can quickly show you, because I brought an example. This is one of my completed journals, which I do have a flip through on my channel. I can link that. But this is a napkin pocket. I just cut a piece of the book page I guess I got a little rip there, but anyway, you can make a pocket out of it. You could glue the whole thing down as a page. I don't have an example of that in here. You could fold the page and use it as a whole journal page when you're binding your journal. You could cut it up and glue it onto onto like a thicker backing and make a tag. It's endless. All right, so I'm gonna do a strawberry one first. I don't cut down my napkins. right here, I put it on first. I'll show you. You can just smooth it out. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth because, whoops, in my opinion, the wrinklier, the more, I don't know, it's like texture. But this is why I like really liquidy glue. Because it doesn't, if it's too thick, it will rip the napkin. Anyway, some people do start in the middle and work their way out. I don't really, I just do whatever. Because that's how I craft, but you can do whatever you want. You just want to make sure that you get the edges really well. So that's probably enough. I just go over it again, smooth it out. And that one's done. Now, if I was trying to do more on this page, I would then cut this off. And you'll neaten it up, or at least that's how I do it. I'll neaten it up once it all dries. I'm just gonna do one page actually for this thing because I have so many of these. Let's see. So yeah, you can decoupage any pages that you want. You could do any papers. It is fun to do, you know, guest checks, library cards. I've done all of the above. I might cut this down just because I know this book page is so small. I don't need this whole thing, so I'll cut a little bit off. Oops, I cut my book page. Whatever. Let's see. Hopefully I didn't cut too much. Just enough, guys. Okay. All right. So this whole process is pretty self-explanatory at this point. I'm just kind of repeating it. Doing a thin layer. When these are ready to, when I'm done with them, I set them in, I have a spare room. I set them in there with a fan on if I'm trying to like make a ton. If not, you could just set them off on a table somewhere overnight. And then when you're done, cut around and even up the edges. I use my paper trimmer. I'll cut off some of the major stuff and then I'll paper trim it and neaten it up. I love this napkin, you guys. It's so pretty. I do have a wrinkle in there, which is totally fine, but. So anyways, how are you guys doing? What is new? Where are you tuning in from? Of course, I'm always sitting here in Michigan. So I have been, I don't know if you're new to my channel or don't know this, but I am also an RN. So my recent to the last couple of years, I've worked hospice as a nurse and it's my calling. So I did a phone interview today to get back into that. Another thing that I used to do, not like it's forever ago, but I would say, I don't even know how many years, 5 years or something. I worked on an orthopedic unit. So shoulders, hips, feet. What else? Those are the main ones, shoulders, hips. Knees, lots of knees. So I have an interview next week to do nights on an ortho unit. I'm just kind of ready to get back to doing some nursing. I do miss it actually. Anyways, but yeah, now I definitely have to because after my dentist appointment today, I need to hit the lotto. Let's just put it that way. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have no idea. I'm not even gonna bore you with all the details, but it was not a good appointment. Nope. I would say upwards of $20,000 I have to get done. Yeah, about 20,000. I mean, now I'm telling you that number because oops, I have a dog hair in here. That's without dental insurance, like currently right now. Obviously that would be half-ish. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. All I know is that with or without my teeth issues as of today, I need to get back to nursing and study work. I will continue to do my channel as long as I can. It's just not supporting me the way I would love for it to. I mean, it may in the future. It's nothing anyone here is doing. It's not a pity party. It's YouTube. It's who it shows my content to. It's a new channel. My channel's only 6 months old. You know, my expectations are a little bit higher than they should be. They're unrealistic. But everyone that watches my channel, likes, comments, all that, it completely helps me out. And my channel's not going anywhere, but I have to supplement my income. It's that time. So, oops. Yeah, just make sure I get all my edges. Yeah, you'll know if your glue, you guys, is too thick because you'll get rips. Let me show you. I hate to rip this to show you, but I can show you on the side. So if it hypothetically ripped like that, say that, well, that is on my book page. Well, okay, well, I'll show you right now. So you just take a piece. It's going to be hard to do because I have glue on my hands. But you'll take a piece of napkin from somewhere else. Hang on, that's not a good example. Let me get a dry piece. My hands have glue already everywhere. It's basically like a Band-Aid. So you'll just take another piece of napkin from wherever. The dry part, I guess, is best. It's been a while. And you'll just glue it back down. So if you get a rip, that's it. And you're never going to know it's not the perfect, piece. All right. So, yeah. Well, I don't like that one. Let me grab this. These are a little wrinkly because they've been in drawers. I haven't decoupaged in forever. I have 3 journal packs that I'm going to put up for sale. I need to record them. I'll show you like a little sneak peek in a minute of what they look like, but I do want to record a little bit of them to show you guys what's involved. I kind of hunted my supply. All right. And it's awesome for me to get rid of some stuff because it just feels good to destash. I mean, I can only use so many pieces of ledger paper if I have 200 pieces. I don't know how many I have, but I'd rather put packs together so other people can use them, use the pieces that are fun. So, yeah. I should cut this, but I'm not going to, you guys. I'm just not going to. Look how pretty this one is. Let me know in the comments if you guys have decoupage napkins with napkins before, or if you have another thing that you decoupage, another method. I would love to know. Because of course, like I said, this isn't a new concept. It's just kind of a fun concept. And I've read your comments. I will definitely record there's a couple things I need to record. My new art supplies, which I'll do that soon. Because I had Christmas over at my mom's house last week. So I got some early Christmas presents. Because we have, a busy Christmas time. And then I know I posted asking if you guys wanted to see all the journal cards I've made. Oh, I'm off the page, you guys. Oh my gosh, am I paying attention? I don't even need to do this part. You guys knew that, I did. All right, so smooth it out. Yeah, so now I'm running completely out of space. I'm just kidding. I thought that maybe I would decoupage one more piece of paper. Changed my mind. I decided that I'm going to record my little journal pack on a separate video, because otherwise I just have to record it again anyways to, fully show it. So I'll do that after this one. Okay. I wonder if this will fit. Yes, it will. I think so. Okay. So, yeah. I do have lace and trim packs up for sale. Several have sold, but I do have a few more left. If you're interested, I did post that on the community tab so you can kind of see what they look like. It's just a mixture of all sorts of, you know, kind of lacy stuff, trims. They have sort of a, let's see, like a shabby chic vintage vibe. If you're interested in those, check the community tab and then send me an email, which is listed on there as well if you'd like to purchase one. All right. This will be my last one. I'm gonna wrap it up. I just wanted to hop on real quick and do something kind of relaxing. And I will keep working on more videos to get my new art supplies up, which are super fun, even though I haven't used them. I can tell they're gonna be fun. And I can't wait to share them with you guys, so stay tuned. Please leave me a like and a comment that tells YouTube, show my content, and I really appreciate it. But anyways, thank you for watching, you guys. I've missed recording. I know it's been probably, I don't even know, 3-4 days. I'll be back at it. I just needed, today was a rough day. I needed some downtime. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. I'll see you later. Bye.